Yeah, you can see where
you buddy already.
we going.
We're going.
So we got it, guys. 2005, right?
Yep.
CRF 250R, so it's the race version. We went up to Huntsville to get it. It's in pretty decent condition, as you can tell. It's stripped. It's a basket case, as they say. But the frame looks pretty good. The kid that we bought it from said that he was riding it and it just seized up. And so we got the engine here, and the piston or the crank snapped here. So we can get it.
Look, I can see right through it.
Yeah.
Puka.
So the crank snapped at the base of the piston. Where's the piston? Maybe I can just show the piston. No, that's not the piston.
It's underneath everything.
It's at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. But anyways, the crank snapped off from the... I'll just get to it. So I want to show them the head. The reason why we bought it. So that case side is fine. The chain. But this is the head. And the head looks great. Look at that. There's nothing wrong on the bottom end and then up on the top end.
Supposedly it's all new.
Yeah, supposedly it was new before it blew up or threw the piston. And so we were worried coming into it that it dropped a valve, but the valves are good. He says he has stainless steel in there. The sleeve looks good. This is the piston. And right there on the rod is where it snapped. See that?
Yep.
So this is a great opportunity for us because this will be our first bottom end build that we're doing, and it's hopefully won't have to, looks like we're not gonna have to do anything in the So yeah, it threw the piston, and then the crank blew out the bottom down there. So we're gonna need to get a new cases for sure. So
Bucket full of bolts.
yep, bucket full of bolts and clutch material. Everything is supposedly in here. We are going to have to get a new stem bearing here.
Oh yeah.
Because that
Squeaky.
was grimy.
It's got aftermarket clamps.
Yeah.
Aftermarket pipe.
Yeah.
White bros.
Yeah, that's supposed to be a good one. And then what's the clamp?
Pro taper.
Pro taper?
Yep.
Yeah, the triple.
It's got bark busters. Those look good.
The risers.
Yeah, risers.
And breakaways. These are always nice.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we'll document the progress of this one. This will be the next flip we do. And anyways, keep posted.